All right, pottery students, we're going to take our pinch pot skills one step further. You're going to create a pinch pot variation. Here are just some different examples of pinch pots where students have added surface design, carved into or shaped their pinch pot in various ways. Here's some nature-inspired pinch pots. You could also flip that pinch pot onto its side and add features to create pinch pot animals. Some fun animals can be made with your pinch pots. You could also create a variation of face pinch pots. Create a natural or realistic looking face, or be more stylistic in the face that you create. You could also double up your pinch pots by creating a top and a bottom and forming a lid. In this case, you would put two pinch pots together, maybe carve away the top for some deeper dish like this one, or shape it in such a way and then cut away the area for a lid and bottom like they did in a couple of these examples. You could also make a pitcher or teapot. I have seen many different types of speakers used for your cell phone. Put that, shape it in such a way where there's an opening for the sound to come out. And here are some more additional ideas where you would add clay to the top. You could add clay. You could create and add some texture or some interesting designs and glaze colors. Here's some student examples from previous years. There are all sorts of options for you to create. There you go. Good luck with your ideas.